What if everything you rely on, power, water, even your phone, vanished in an instant? No signal, no help, just you and the elements. Would you be ready? Today we're counting down 20 survival gadgets for 2025 that could literally save your life. Some are ultra simple, some are high-tech marvels, but every single one is a game changer. And stick around, because the #1 gadget on this list, it's so clever, it practically does the thinking for you. Let's kick things off. All links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. With gadget number 20, BigBlue 28-watt solar charger. When outlets disappear, solar power keeps you going. The BigBlue 28-watt solar charger folds out into a durable, weather-resistant panel that delivers reliable energy straight from the sun. With 3 USB ports, it can charge phones, GPS units, or radios all at once, making it perfect for group trips or emergencies. Lightweight yet rugged, this charger ensures your devices stay alive, no matter how far off-grid you wander. At number 19, Goal Zero Lighthouse Mini Lantern. Reliable light is more than convenience. It's a necessity when darkness falls. The Goal Zero Lighthouse Mini Lantern is compact yet powerful, offering up to 210 lumens of adjustable light. On its lowest setting, it can run for an astounding 500 hours, and it even has a USB port for emergency phone charging. Its foldable legs allow flexible placement anywhere, on a table, inside a tent, or hanging from a branch. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing an unexpected blackout, this lantern ensures you're never left in the dark. At number 18, Epiphany outdoor gear pocket. Bellows. Starting a fire in damp conditions can be a real challenge, but the Pocket Bellows changes the game. Extending over 20 inches, it allows a precise, concentrated burst of oxygen to reach your tinder, even when wet. It saves both breath and time, giving you a reliable fire quickly. Made from stainless steel, it's compact, lightweight, and built to last. With this in your kit, lighting a fire becomes almost effortless, even under challenging weather conditions. At number 17, Gerber Bear Grylls Basic Survival Kit. Compact, rugged, and designed with real-world survival in mind. This kit packs 8 essential tools into a waterproof pouch. Inside, you'll find a fire starter, whistle, waterproof matches, emergency cord, and even a survival guide written by Bear Grylls himself. It's lightweight enough to slip into any pack, but powerful enough to cover the basics when things go wrong. For adventurers who value simplicity and reliability, this kit is a no-brainer backup. At number 16, UCO Stormproof Match Kit. Wet matches are one of the most common survival frustrations. The UCO Stormproof Match Kit solves that problem, providing 25 matches that light even after being submerged. Each burns up to 15 seconds, perfect for windy or rainy conditions. The kit comes with an integrated striker and a floating waterproof case, so you're never without fire. Simple, reliable, and extremely effective, these matches are an essential survival item. At number 15, Potable Aqua Water Purification Tablets. Clean drinking water is critical in any survival situation. Potable Aqua tablets effectively neutralize bacteria and viruses in contaminated water. Each tablet treats 1 quart of water and is lightweight, easy to store, and has a long shelf life. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing an emergency, these tablets ensure hydration remains safe and accessible. At number 14, Cold Steel Recon 1 Tactical Folding Knife. A tactical knife is a cornerstone of any survival kit. The Cold Steel Recon 1 offers a razor-sharp AUS 8A stainless steel blade, a strong triad lock, and a G10 handle for an exceptional grip, even when wet. One-handed opening makes it quick to deploy for cutting rope, preparing food, or self-defense. Durable, reliable, and versatile, it's a tool you can count on in critical situations. At number 13, Vargo Titanium Emergency Whistle. A whistle might seem simple, but in survival, it can literally save your life. The Vargo Titanium Emergency Whistle produces a piercing 100+ decibel sound that travels farther than your voice, cutting through wind and ambient noise. It's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built to last. With an attached lanyard, it's always ready for action, whether signaling for help, coordinating with a group, or alerting rescuers. Never underestimate the power of sound in the wild. At number 12, CRKT Wood's Chogan Tomahawk. For chopping, splitting, and clearing tasks, the CRKT Wood's Chogan Tomahawk is a true survival beast. It combines the utility of an axe with a sharp, full-tang carbon steel blade. The Tennessee hickory handle provides comfort and control, even under heavy use. Whether processing firewood, building shelter, or clearing paths, this Tomahawk delivers power, precision, and reliability. Compact enough to carry, but strong enough to handle serious survival jobs. At number 11, the friendly Swede Magnesuim fire starter. Starting a fire under tough conditions, this magnesium fire starter has you covered. It produces sparks at over 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, 3,000 degrees Celsius, capable of igniting tinder in rain, wind, or snow. Compact, durable, and built for thousands of strikes, it ensures warmth, cooking capability, and even a mental boost when survival feels stressful. Simple, reliable, and incredibly effective. The ultimate fire-starting companion. At number 10, Gerber ComplEAT Camping Utensil. Eating in the wilderness doesn't have to be messy. The Gerber ComplEAT is a 4-in-1 tool combining a fork, spoon, spatula, and multi-tool. It's lightweight, durable, and snaps together for compact storage. The spatula edge includes a silicone scraper and serrated edge for cutting, making it far more than a simple camping utensil. From cooking to eating, it's a versatile solution for mealtime on the move. At number 9, LuminAID PackLite Max 2-in-1 Power Lantern. This inflatable solar lantern is an incredible blend of innovation and practicality. The LuminAID PackLite Max charges in just a few hours of sunlight, giving up to 150 lumens of bright, diffused light for 50 hours. Equipped with a USB port, it can power your phone in a pinch. Collapsible, waterproof, and shatterproof. It's built to handle rough conditions while providing reliable light and backup power wherever you are. At number 8, Spyderco Military 2 Folding Knife. Considered one of the best everyday carry knives, the Spyderco Military 2 is precision engineered for survival. Its CPMS 30W stainless steel blade offers unmatched edge retention, paired with a compression lock for safety. The G10 handle ensures a secure grip, and one-handed deployment makes it lightning fast to use. From detailed cutting to heavy-duty survival tasks, this knife performs flawlessly in every scenario. At number 7, Anker PowerCore 20,100 Power Bank. Reliable power is a must when technology supports your survival. The Anker PowerCore 20,100 packs a huge capacity, capable of charging most phones multiple times. Dual USB ports let you charge 2 devices simultaneously, and its compact design is easy to carry. With Anker's advanced safety features, you can trust your electronics stay protected. It's the ultimate portable energy reserve for extended trips or emergency situations. At number 6, Coleman Sundome 2-person tent. Quick setup, weather resistance, and comfort. This tent delivers all three. The Coleman Sundome 2-person tent uses snag-free poles for a setup that takes just minutes, while its WeatherTech system with welded floors and inverted seams keeps you dry. Mesh panels and large windows provide airflow without letting the rain in, making it ideal for both camping and emergencies. A reliable shelter you can trust when the skies turn dark. At number 5, AquaQuest Defender Tarp, one of the most versatile survival items you can own. The AquaQuest Defender Tarp is heavy-duty, 100% waterproof, and made from reinforced nylon. Set it up as a lean-to, A-frame tent, gear shelter, or ground sheet. Protect yourself from rain, sun, or snow in countless configurations. Lightweight yet rugged, it's a flexible shelter solution for any environment. At number 4, Celestron SkyMaster 20x80 Binoculars. Observation is key for navigation, spotting threats, or game. The Celestron SkyMaster 20x80 Binoculars deliver powerful 20x magnification and excellent light-gathering capability for clear views even in low-light conditions. Rugged, water-resistant, and perfect for outdoor use, they make long-range scouting and safety assessment simple and reliable. At number 3, Ready America 72-hour emergency kit. When disaster strikes, this kit ensures you're covered for 3 full days. Pre-packed with food, water, first aid, ponchos, and survival blankets for 2 people. It eliminates the stress of preparing gear in an emergency. The backpack design keeps everything compact and easy to grab at a moment's notice. Whether it's an evacuation, blackout, or natural disaster, this kit gives you instant readiness and peace of mind. At number 2, Midland GXT1000WP4 two-way radios. When the cell towers fail, communication is vital. These radios offer 50 GMRS channels and a range up to 36 miles under optimal conditions. Waterproof, featuring NOAA weather alerts and an SOS siren. They're perfect for staying connected during emergencies. Durable, reliable, and built for anything. They're essential for group coordination and safety in survival situations. All right, you've made it to the end. The anticipation has been building, and now it's time to reveal the #1 gadget that will completely change how you think about survival. This one is pure genius. At number 1, BioLite HeadLamp 800 Pro. This isn't just a headlamp, it's a survival powerhouse. With 800 lumens, a comfortable no-bounce fit, and a built-in 3000 mAh battery that doubles as a pass-through charger, it lights your path and powers small devices at the same time. Constant mode output, run forever charging, and a red rear light for safety make it the ultimate hands-free illumination solution. Practical, innovative, and essential. The smartest survival gadget on our list, and that's our definitive list of the top 20 survival gadgets for 2025. From dependable power to instant shelter, precise navigation, and that mind-blowing BioLite HeadLamp 800 Pro. Each item is designed to give you the edge when disaster strikes. Which gadget impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more survival gear insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Grab them and stay prepared.